In this video, I'll explain how to specify multiple arguments within the apply function in the R programming language. Let's do that. In this video, I will show you an example, and this example is based on the data frame that we can create with lines 2 to 3 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data frame object appears, which is called data. And we can print this data frame to the bottom, to the RStudio console by running line 4 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the bottom that we have created a data frame with two variables x and y. And both of these variables contain numeric values. However, you can also see that the first column of our data frame also contains an NA value. So NA stands for not available or for missing value. Now let's assume that we want to use the apply function to calculate the mean of all columns of our data frame. Then we might specify within the apply function our data set. Then we would have to specify the value 2 to tell R that we want to use the apply function by columns. And then we would specify the mean function because we want to calculate the mean of our columns in the data frame. So if you run line 6 of the code, you will see that at the bottom in the RStudio console, the mean of the column y is returned. So the mean of this column is 3.5. However, you can also see that the first column is set to NA because in this column we have an NA value in the original data, and for that reason the mean function is not able to calculate the mean without any further specifications. So within the mean function, we would usually use the na.remove argument to remove NA values to calculate a mean. However, since we are using the apply function, this is a bit more complicated because in this case, we cannot specify the additional arguments within the mean function, but we have to specify these additional arguments within the apply function. And we can do that, as you can see in line 8 of the code. So in this line of code, I'm using basically the same syntax as in line 6. However, then I'm also specifying the additional arguments that I want to use, separated by a comma, within the apply function. So in this case, I want to use the na.remove function of the mean function, and I'm specifying this argument within the apply function at the end of this function. So if you run line 8 of the code, you can see that another output is returned, and as you can see this time, the mean value of the x column is also returned because we have removed the NA value from this column within the apply function. So if you would like to specify even additional arguments within the apply function, you would have to specify a comma at the end, and then you could specify the additional arguments that you want to use. So in this tutorial, I have explained how to specify multiple arguments within the apply function using the R programming language. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.